Are you tired of crazy expensive roaming fees every time you travel? Say goodbye to overpriced data and losing those tiny physical SIM cards. Meet Yesim, your new best friend for international travel. It's an awesome app that gives you instant mobile data in over 200 countries worldwide. Whether you're heading to the US for a 2-week vacation or backpacking across Europe, Yesim has you covered with super affordable unlimited data plans. The best part? There's no physical SIM card required, absolutely zero hidden roaming fees, and it literally takes just a few clicks to install right from your phone. You just pick your destination, choose your plan, and boom, you're connected. And listen up, because I've got a sweet deal for you guys. Right now, you can score a massive 15% off your very first plan. Just hit that link in the description down below, apply the promo code at checkout, and start traveling smarter today. Stay connected wherever you go, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips.